In the context of the booming U.S. firearms industry with breakthrough innovations and fierce competition among prestigious brands, some revolver models have quickly dominated the market and become icons of power, precision, and reliability. Recently, new events and trends have shown increasingly high demands from users, from professional shooters to avid collectors, opening a new and surprising chapter in the world of firearms. Today, this video will take you on a journey to explore the top 5 most beloved revolvers of 2025, where each product not only showcases the essence of manufacturing techniques, but also tells a unique story about development and innovation in the industry. 1. Colt Single Action Army SA, the ruler of classic revolvers. First introduced in 1873 by Colt's manufacturing company, this product quickly became an icon of the American West and is known as the Peacemaker due to its classic beauty, superior craftsmanship, and outstanding shooting performance, attracting the attention of soldiers, police, professional shooters, as well as collectors passionate about traditional firearms. With exquisite design and high-quality steel material, the Colt SA has an overall length of approximately 13 inches, a traditional barrel length of about 7.5 inches, creating a perfect balance between mobility and stability, and a weight of approximately 2.3 lbs, which helps minimize recoil when shooting and enhances control. It is also equipped with a cylinder that holds 6 powerful 45 Colt rounds, ensuring stable and reliable shooting performance. Featuring a distinctive single-action mechanism, this revolver allows the shooter to control the firing process smoothly, providing high accuracy and a complete shooting experience. Details such as the meticulously crafted grip, smooth finish, and proprietary safety system help prevent accidental discharges while allowing customization of accessories like sights and other parts to optimize performance. Regarding price and market position, the Colt Single Action Army is positioned in the high-end segment with a listed price ranging from approximately $1,500 to $2,500, offering superior collectible value and many premium features typically found only in more expensive models, thereby affirming the product as an attractive choice for shooting enthusiasts, competitive athletes, and collectors who appreciate the art of traditional firearm craftsmanship. 2. Smith & Wesson Model 686, the ruler of high-performance revolvers. Born from the long-standing tradition of the prestigious Smith & Wesson brand, the Model 686 is a symbol of the perfect combination between heritage and modern technology. Crafted for shooting enthusiasts, competitive athletes, and professional shooters who desire a powerful, reliable, and high-performance revolver. The product is built on an improved K-frame platform, with overall dimensions designed to balance mobility and stability. The common version has a barrel length of approximately 4 inches and a weight ranging from 2.2 to 2.7 pounds when unloaded, along with a cylinder that holds 6 rounds of .357 Magnum, a caliber that provides impressive power and effective stopping capability. The highlight of the Model 686 is its smooth double-action firing mechanism, allowing the shooter to control the shooting process with finesse and precision, along with an advanced recoil reduction system and a meticulously crafted grip to optimize grip and comfort during use. The product also allows users to customize details such as sights and install accessories to suit personal needs, while high-quality stainless steel material used for the frame and barrel ensures durability, wear resistance, and superior longevity. In terms of price and market position, the Smith & Wesson Model 686 is positioned in the high-end segment with a listed price ranging from approximately $1,000 to $1,500, offering many premium features typically found only in more expensive models and thereby affirming a strong competitive position in the revolver segment. In summary, the Smith & Wesson Model 686 not only possesses exquisite design, outstanding shooting performance, and optimal control, but also is the perfect choice for those seeking a combination of traditional elements and modern technology, thus becoming the true ruler of high-performance revolvers. 3. Ruger G-Pone 100, the pinnacle of power and precision. Introduced in the 1980s by Sturm, Ruger & Co., the Ruger G-Pone 100 quickly established its position among shooting enthusiasts, competitive athletes, and professional shooters thanks to its durable design, stable performance, and superior control. The product is built on a traditional steel frame platform with overall dimensions optimized to achieve a perfect balance between mobility and stability. The standard version has a barrel length of approximately 4 inches and a weight ranging from 2.5 to 3 lbs, allowing the use of 357 Magnum as well as 38 special ammunition to meet diverse needs from personal defense to competition. The highlight of the Ruger G-Pone 100 is its smooth double-action firing mechanism, providing a comfortable shooting experience, while the grip is finely crafted to optimize grip and minimize recoil, combined with details such as clear sights and flexible accessory customization to suit the user's individual style. The main construction material is high-grade steel with a meticulous finish, ensuring durability and wear resistance over time, contributing to a product that is not only durable but also meets high aesthetic standards. In terms of price and market position, the Ruger G-Pone 100 is positioned in the high-end segment with a listed price ranging from approximately $800 to $1,200, competing strongly with rivals in the same segment by offering many premium features typically seen in more expensive models. In summary, the Ruger G-Pone 100 is a perfect combination of exquisite design, outstanding shooting performance, and affordability, affirming the product as an attractive choice for those seeking a powerful, reliable revolver capable of meeting diverse usage needs. 4. Colt Python, the ruler of excellence and class. Introduced in 1955 by Colt's manufacturing company, this product quickly became an icon of luxury, superior performance, and manufacturing excellence for shooting enthusiasts, competitive athletes, and rare collectors, thanks to its meticulous production process and top-notch craftsmanship. With optimized overall dimensions, the Colt Python typically has a barrel length ranging from 4 to 6 inches, a weight from 2.5 to 3.5 lbs, and a cylinder that holds 6 rounds of 357 Magnum, creating a perfect balance between mobility and stability in use. The product stands out with its smooth double-action firing mechanism, providing a comfortable and accurate shooting experience. A finely crafted grip, and a glossy finish from high-grade stainless steel, enhancing durability and aesthetic value, while integrating features such as clear sights and the ability to customize accessories according to personal usage needs. In terms of price and market position, the Colt Python is positioned in the high-end segment with a listed price typically ranging from approximately $2,000 to $3,000, creating strong competition due to its superior features and craftsmanship quality usually seen only in products bearing the mark of class. In summary, the Colt Python is a perfect combination of exquisite design, outstanding shooting performance, and superior collectible value, affirming the product as the optimal choice for those seeking a revolver that embodies artistry and effectiveness in every situation. 5. NWJ Frame Series, the ruler of compactness and reliability. Introduced in the 1980s by Smith and Wesson, the J-frame series quickly won the affection of police, shooting enthusiasts, and professional shooters thanks to its compact design, ease of carry, and superior reliability. The product is built on the brand's long-standing heritage with the goal of serving daily use for personal defense and concealed carry under clothing. This series has overall dimensions optimized to provide a perfect balance between mobility and stability, with barrel lengths typically ranging from 2 to 3 inches and a lightweight of only about 17 to 19 oz, making it easy to use in situations requiring agility and precision. The highlight of the S&WJ frame is its smooth double-action firing mechanism, an ergonomically designed grip to optimize grip, minimize recoil, and reduce fatigue, combined with high-grade stainless steel material and optional Cerakote finish on some versions, allowing users to customize accessories such as sights and grips to their personal style. In terms of price, this series is positioned in the mid to high-end segment with listed prices typically ranging from approximately $500 to $700, competing strongly with concealed carry revolvers from other brands due to its unique combination of premium features and affordability. In summary, the S&WJ frame series is the optimal choice for those seeking a compact, durable, and easy-to-use revolver, offering outstanding shooting performance along with long-term value, affirming its position as a true ruler in the concealed carry segment. Thus, through this video, we have explored and analyzed the top revolver models in the US for 2025. From traditional designs rich in history to modern technological advancements, each revolver carries its own story of durability, performance, and sophistication. Thank you for watching and supporting the video. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe and turn on notifications to not miss our upcoming interesting videos.